Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. You see the instrument. This is called the microscope. Most of you would have heard the name of this instrument. As the name indicates, microscope. It is used to magnify the microorganisms. This means that the microorganisms which can't be seen with the naked eye, so it magnifies them, that is, it makes them bigger in size and they can be seen clearly. Now, this is called the eyepiece lens because it is closer to the eye. We see through it. It has different magnifications. Right now, the magnification of this lens is 15x, that is, it can make the object or the thing which we have to see 15 times bigger than its original size. This is the arm through which we hold the microscope, and this is the base through which it can be put at some place. This is the coarse focusing knob. Everyone has to adjust through the coarse focusing knob because everyone eye has the different focus. Now, this is the slide, the prepared slide of some specimen, and this is the object which has to be seen. So we have on this part of the microscope the objective lens. Okay, the objective lens is over the object, so that's why it is the objective lens. This part is the stage on which we put the slide, and these are the stage clips through which we fix the slide, and this is the mirror that reflects the light. This is the fine focusing knob. Once we have done the coarse focusing, then we do the fine focusing. And these objective lenses are also of different magnifications. There are 3 types of objective lenses and they have different magnification. The total magnification would be the magnification of the eyepiece lens and the magnification of the objective lens, so they will be multiplied. So this will be the total magnification, that is, the object would be that much size bigger than its original size. Thank you so much.